Hi, it's Tom Mallons here with Mentality, and I want to share with you a really shocking revelation, a shocking truth that I found out about history. I was chatting to my friend Jamie, and he is a history teacher, and I was asking him, what is history? I had history lessons when I was at school, and I really struggled to understand what the subject is. We're just talking about the past a lot, but what's the point of it? And he said to me, Tom, history is just the stories that a society or culture tells itself about what it means to be part of that society or culture. And in the same way, I realised that your personal history is just the stories you tell yourself about what it means to be you. Let me give you an example. You can tell yourself different stories about the events that make up your past. The events may be to some extent factual, they're set in stone, they happened, that was the reality. But the stories you tell yourself about what those events mean can vary dramatically. So you can tell yourself stories that are helpful or that hinder you. And sometimes I found it useful to think about my past and the stories I tell myself about my past, and ask myself, are these stories still relevant to who I am? Are these stories still useful? Are these stories helping me in my life get where I want to go? Or are these stories somehow holding me back? Are these stories negative stories? Are these stories ones that don't really help me in the here and now? So if you've had tough times in your life, you could tell yourself a story about how that makes you a loser, about how that means you're weak, about how that means that you're no good. Or you could tell yourself stories about how those tough times mean that you're a survivor. That you're someone that can get through any problem that life throws at you. You can tell yourself stories that those tough times mean that you are in fact a complete winner. You could tell yourself stories that are more helpful to you now than other stories. So have a think about the stories you're telling yourself about your past, and whether those stories are the right ones, whether those stories are useful ones, whether those stories are helpful ones. Because while history may be made up of facts, it's how you link those facts together that create the story you want to tell yourself. I hope that was helpful. If you'd like to learn more about mentality and how you can be the best and strongest version of yourself, get in touch through the contact details in the description box below. Until the next time, as always, stay epic. The end.